So microwaves are LOS signal. What is LOS? Line of sight signal. What is LOS signal? Line of sight. English, line of sight. Again. In a visible area. Is that omnidirectional or going in a straight line? Straight line. Technically, we mentioned that straight line signal as LOS. Now, here we have the sender. Sender sends a signal focusing onto the specific receiver. Feature. Then microwaves are providing higher bandwidth as well as longer distances. That's good, just like the radio signals. But the only difference is straight line communication. Then this is practically used in two ways. The first method is satellite communication. Other one is terrestrial microwaves. Terrestrial microwaves. That's the second usage. Then, there'll be a cricket match playing in somewhere like Australia. This is another country. Sri Lanka, India, I don't know the map, right? Geography by India. This is one another country. Say that Sri Lanka kilam the live cricket match has to be broadcast to Sri Lanka. Can't they use traditional TV, radio broadcasting? Hey, Ben. He is having long distance. Kilometer 5000 Then we said that radio TV signals are ready to travel long distance. It's a powerful signal. Hey, Ben. Earth is not a routine. This is Australia, Sri Lanka. This is a globe. Australia, this is one country, this is the other country. Then, in between the countries, don't you observe a big heap in between? Then tower එකක් මොකද වෙන්නේ? මෙතන tower එකක් තියෙනවා. මෙතන tower එකක් තියෙනවා. Is it possible to communicate the radio waves? බෑනේ මේ පස්සස්සෙන් එන්න එපායි. ඒක ඉතින් එන කේස් එකක්. This is a globe, right? නිකන් මේ හන්තාන කන්ද වගේ නෙවෙයි හැපැත්තට යන්න තියෙන්නේ. Then that's the main reason why there's a big obstacle available in between. ලොකු obstacle එකක් තියෙනවා. So then it is not possible to use radio signals. It is not possible to penetrate through that particular obstacle. එහෙමනම් කරන්න තියෙන්නේ මොකද්ද? මෙතනින් හදන tower එකක් going beyond the radius of the globe. මෙතනින් හදන තව tower එකක් going beyond the radius of the globe. දැන් ඔන්න යවන්න පුළුවන් ඕන්න. ඒ no obstacle at between. Practical ද නැද්ද? Not at all. Now the solution is there are satellites orbiting around the Earth. These are satellites. Then at the sending station, this is a sender, it produces a microwave which is going in a straight line and focus that particular microwave towards this satellite. It's a straight line going towards the satellite. A microwave can travel long distance. And then it is being reflected to the receiving end by the satellite. Now that obstacle problem isn't that being solved? Then so then he is going to be the receiver. Then that is the main way how the satellite communications are used. Where they use microwaves, which is a directed signal, not a radio signal. Maybe radio එකක් use කරොත් මොකද වෙන්නේ? හතර වටේ මෙහෙම යවනවනේ. ඒතර ඒක මේ කොහෙවද ඉද්දන්නේ? That's not practical. But microwave has the property to go very long distance in a straight line. හරිනේ. දැන් තව scene එකක් තියෙනවා. The microwave is a directed signal එකක් නේ. ඩිරෙක්ට් සිග්නල් එක මේ අපි මෙහෙම ફોකස් කරනවා. මේ ගම සැටලයිට් එක මෙහෙම ફોකස් කරලා යවුවා. දැන් මෙතනින් ફોකස් කරලා දෙනවා සැටලයිට් එකට. Earth is rotating. මෙහෙම ફોකස් කරලා ඔක්කොම හදලා ස්විච් ඔන් කරලා චුට්ට වෙලාවක් යද්දී ටුක් ගාලා මූ පයින්න මෙහාට. ඇයි Earth එක කැරකෙද්දී මේක කැලේනේ. එතකොට කොහොමද ඩේ දුවන්නේ? එහෙනම් තව සැටලයිට් එකක් ළඟින් හයි කරනවා. සැටලයිට් කීයක් හයි කරන්නද? ලෝකෙ වටේට හෙන්න සැටලයිට් ලන්දක් හයි කරන්න බෑ නිකන්. ඒ කියන්නේ හරියට නිකන් කුඩයක් වැහුවා වගේ එතකොට. කර්න් නිකන් ටර්ට් එකක් දැම්මා වගේ වටේට සැටලයිට්. අනිත් මේක රොටියක් නෙවෙයි ඈ ග්ලෝබ් එකක්. ඒත් මේ සැටලයිට් හතර වටේම මෙහෙම ග්ලෝබ් එකක්. මෙහෙම තියෙන මේක ලයින් එක 3D තියෙන්න ඕනේ. Then what happens here is the satellites are orbiting in the same speed of the Earth. Earth එක මෙහාට චුට්ටක් කැරෙච්ච ගමන් සැටලයිට් එකත් ඒකම කරගෙනවා. Then I don't want to maintain the focusing from time to time. I just make it when we are moving, satellite is also coming with us. These satellites are called as geostationary satellite. Then they are moving along with the Earth's rotation. Then no issue of reflection changing the order. ඒක තමයි. Then the other idea. Now in that manner it is possible to send and receive signals. Then කතාව හරියන්නේ. So then that's the order how the satellites are used with the microwaves. ඊළඟ එක we say that this is higher bandwidth, then it is okay to transmit video signals, data signals, internet signals. That's okay. Other weakness. You people are observing or using that dialogue TV. So it is predicting whenever it is about to rain or not, right? Isn't it? During the raining time, or it is about to rain, what will happen to the dialogue TV? Not at all. Hey, whenever it is about to rain, there will be clouds forming around this. Whenever the clouds are formed, the incoming microwave signal will get distracted by the available clouds in it. But clouds are not solid objects, higher concentration of vapors. Even through vapors, microwaves are not penetrating. Now, microwaves has very low penetration power. That's the idea. But radio signals, your radio TV, can I tune a radio inside this room? පුළුවන්. So radio signals are coming from Hantana. And they will pass through the walls, the roof, concrete, having no issues. That feature is not there in satellite, that means microwaves. They'll get distracted. ඒකනේ ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ ඩයලොග් ඇන්ටනාව කොහෙද හයි කරලා දෙන්නේ ගෙදර? මහලේ උඩින් හයි කරන්නේ. Is that covering the pathway to the satellite or not at all? මොකක් හරි cover වෙනවද ඒකෙන්? cover වෙනවනම් TV බලන්න බෑ. Even no a tree will cover the pathway, right? මොකද බෑ. openly උඩ ගහලා දෙන්නේ ඒකයි. And they are focusing on one direction. මම තව පොඩි දෙයක් කියන්නම්. ඔය ඩයලොග් ඇන්ටනා නිකන් බලාගෙන යනකොට එකම ඩිරෙක්ෂන් එකකට ගහලා තියෙනවා. දැන් මේක විතරයි ලයිට් තිබ්බොත් එimhe ඔක්කොම එක ලස්සන ફોකස් කරලා තියෙනවා. That is for the same satellite. The focusing should be there. And it has to use a parabolic antenna, the curve-like antenna. Why? That will take the incident microwaves and a higher concentration of microwaves is collected to the center. So then this is the receiver to receive the microwave with a higher concentration. And this the black color gadget is the one where it has a wire. Right? So then it uses parabolic antennas or dish-like antennas to handle this directed signal. We like the next. මේක තව වචනයක් කියන්නම්. Now there's a signal sent from the sender that is called as uplink. wow syllabus එකේ තියෙනවා. And then the signal coming from the satellite towards the receiver is called as downlink. Say that the sending station, it is having the uplink. It is having the downlink. Now my question, is the uplink and the downlink has the same data or different data? Now we are in a communication now. There are cricket match එක broadcast කරන ගමන් කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. ඒතකොට during the uplink, in this uplink and in this downlink, do they have the same information, same video frame or different frames? නිකන් හිතලා කියන්නේ. මේ යවන එක තමයි reflect වෙලා එන්නේ. At this moment, I consider the uplink. At this moment, I consider the downlink. Are both having the same signal or different signals? Now think of the event in slow motion. But delay කරලා හිතන්නකෝ. Right? So that in the cricket match. දැන් ඔන්න මේ uplink එකේ මම first ball එක දැන් දානවා. ඒ video frame එක තමයි යන්නේ. Then that will travel towards the satellite. Then won't there be a certain delay to reach the satellite? දැන් පළවෙනි බෝලේ යනවා දැන් නේ. මේ හැරින් ගෙවන්න පළවෙනි බෝලේ මෙතෙන්ට ගියා. ඒ යද්දි what about the video frame here? Is that still having the first ball or the second ball maybe? Slow motion හිතන්නේ නැත්නම් මිලිසෙකන්ඩ් වලින් යන්නේ මේක. දෙවෙනි බෝලේ දාන්න බෑ මිලිසෙකන්ඩ් ගානකින්. නිකන් හිතන්නකෝ. Now this may have the second ball frame. එහෙම හිතන්නකෝ. පළවෙනි බෝලේ හිමීට මෙහෙම ගියා. දැන් මෙතෙන් යනකොට මූ දෙවෙනි බෝලෙත් දාන්න පටන් ගත්තානේ. Then whenever the downlink is considered, the downlink is carrying the first ball, whereas this may have the second ball, this may have the third ball somewhere. එහෙම වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Hope that you understand what I'm telling here. Then the downlink and the uplink has same data or different data now? Different data. Right? There's a delay to go up and come down. They are in milliseconds or microseconds, but different frames. Now, when at the receiving end, they are apart from kilometers of distance. No issue. When these are getting closer, when they are going closer to the satellite, what about the distance in between the uplink and the downlink? You are getting closer to satellite. Then the distance between uplink and downlink are getting very closer. Sometimes when it is almost touching to one another at the satellite. Then these are electromagnetic waves. Microwaves, make up electromagnetic waves. Then when they are getting closer, won't this wave and this wave will get react one another? These are EMF නේ. මේකයි set වෙනවා. set වෙච්චාම මොකද වෙන්නේ? Whatever the sending signal and receiving signal are mixed up, make a full jammed signal. It will be corrupted. You understand that? මෙහෙදි shape ලං වෙනකොට තමයි case එක. අර ගින්දරයි පුරුණු ලං කරන්න එපා කියන්නේ ඒකනේ. ලං වෙච්ච ගමන් මුන් දෙන set වෙනවා. ලං වෙන්න දෙන්න එපා. So then when it is going there, the interruption will be taken place. It will be corrupted. How to overcome that? What happens is, in the uplink, we use a certain frequency. You know what frequency? We said that number of cycles. Then downlink will have another frequency. Then that has some other frequency. Then when they are getting closer, since this is in one frequency, this is in another frequency, will they have a chance to get overlap? No, they have different features, this has different features. Then to avoid the mixing of signals at the satellite, uplink and the downlink maintains two different frequencies. You got the idea? Or physics tani karama, ICT නෙමෙයි ඇත්තටම. Right? But I want to say that don't know will this be tested in the exam CQs. මොකක් හරි ඇහුවොත් එම uplink කියන්නේ මොකද්ද downlink කියන්නේ මොකද්ද frequency ගැන ඇහුවොත් learn that they are having two different frequencies in order to avoid the conflicts at the closer to the satellite. කතාව තේරෙනවද?